Hello, welcome our Gearresearch channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best cutting board materials that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Gorilla Grip Reversible, Oversized, Thick Cutting Board. This plastic Gorilla Grip cutting board set comes as a set of 3 easy-to-care-for pieces that make kitchen prep a breeze. With over 40,000 customer reviews and a nearly perfect 4.5-star rating, you can be sure you're going to love this affordable find, no matter what type of kitchen you're cooking in. The cutting boards boast easy grip handles, deep side grooves to collect juice and fluid runoff, and dishwasher-safe materials that make cleanup quicker than ever. Choose from dozens of color options to best suit your personality and decor, or color code cutting boards that you only use for meat or fruit. That's especially true for tasks like mincing rosemary, where you need a lot of rocking cuts applied with some force to pulverize the sprigs. I also appreciate the little groove around the perimeter of each board. It's ample enough that you could use these boards for chicken thighs or even a whole roasted chicken without worrying that any liquid would spill over. The Gorilla Grip boards are also reversible, and the second side doesn't have a groove. I love the flat side because when you're chopping fine herbs, like parsley, it makes it easy to scrape food directly into a prep dish. Best of all, they're dishwasher safe, which made them super easy to clean and sanitize. They didn't stain, even when I allowed grenadine syrup and tomato sauce to sit overnight. Number 2, HOMWE Plastic Cutting Boards for Kitchen. 2 plastic models that stood out from the pack were the HOMWE Kitchen 3-piece set and the OXO Good Grips Carving and Cutting Board. While both models are well designed and solid, the HOMWE Kitchen edged out the OXO Good Grips as our favorite plastic board. 3 great sizes provide plenty of versatility, and all our testers love the rubberized pads that help keep it in place. The textured surface proves to be more blade-friendly than many other plastic options, with tough and durable plastic. We appreciate that it's dishwasher safe, and its handles make pulling it out of deep cabinets as easy as it gets. While we can appreciate this model, there are a few downsides to plastic in general. It's more durable, but it will dull knives faster, necessitating more frequent blade sharpening than hardwood and bamboo options. We also don't love that the knives will produce cuts on the board, which can harbor bacteria. This means that a model needs to be replaced more often. This is true in our testing with this product. Still, if you're in the market for a low-priced plastic design, this value pack is a wonderful option to consider. Because of its unique grip design, you can be certain that your HOMWE cutting boards will not fall over when you are cutting, chopping, or dicing. The juice grooves on these reversible cutting boards let you catch fluids and keep your countertop clean and neat. These cutting boards are made of high-grade plastic that will endure for a long time. Number 3, Extra Large Organic Bamboo Cutting Board. If you want to buy one of the best bamboo boards you can get for the least amount of money, look no further than the Royal Craft Bamboo series. These are solid all-around options regardless of price. However, this model is difficult to beat when you consider the low cost. All of our testers loved the deep juice grooves and recessed handles, which made it easier to pick up off of smooth surfaces. Like most other bamboo options, this model does need some maintenance. However, generally speaking, it needs to be oiled less than once a month and less overall than most other bamboo or hardwood options. It is not dishwasher safe and needs to be hand washed, and in our experience, some things, like strawberries, will leave stains. Fortunately, it does share the same superior antimicrobial properties as other hardwood and bamboo products. It's tough to beat for the price, and we'd take this board every time over nearly any plastic version. It's great for folks wanting to try out something other than plastic, but who aren't willing to commit a bunch of money for something they might not prefer. We found a few noticeable marks. When we ran our hand over the wood, we felt a few, but none deep or noticeable to the naked eye, thanks to the combination of the hard material and the dark finish, which is not only lovely but should hide everyday stains over time. The TCOS Professional arrives pre-treated. Number 4, Greener Chef Bamboo Cutting Board Lifetime Replacement. In recent years there has been a noticeable increase in the number of bamboo models offered on the market. The reasons behind this proliferation are as plentiful as the options. Many bamboo boards share the same positive characteristics as their hardwood counterparts, such as being naturally antimicrobial and durable, but are also thinner, lighter, and significantly less expensive. After directly comparing several of the highest rated and most popular bamboo models, the Greener Chef was our review team's favorite. It resisted staining and splintering better than any other bamboo option and was thinner and easier to store. The main downside is that it isn't nearly as blade-friendly as hardwood options, though still not as harsh as a composite board. As with any wood board, you should oil your board around once a month, but we found this model was more forgiving in this regard. The Greener Chef is perfect for someone who wants something more antibacterial than a plastic board but doesn't want to deal with a thick, heavy, expensive hardwood model. This model does require regular care with mineral oil, and it can only be hand-washed, but if you are willing to take those extra steps, you'll be rewarded with a hardworking and presentation-worthy wooden cutting board for years to come. Number 5. Sonder Los Angeles Cutting Board made in the USA. Hand down, we think the Sonder is the best overall cutting board on the market. Handcrafted in Los Angeles, California, Sonder pulls out all the stops to produce an incredible product for your kitchen. Its end-grain wood construction offers an antimicrobial design that should help keep your cooking space germ-free. It doesn't simply rely on its heft to stay in place. This board comes with little rubber feet that minimize slippage. Its hardwood construction is more knife-friendly than other bamboo options, and we love its deep juice groove that keeps even the messiest jobs from spilling onto the counter. Neither overwhelmingly large nor too small to be useful, our testers found the dimensions ideal. Its primary downside is its price, as it costs nearly double of other high-end hardwood boards and several times more than many bamboo or plastic contenders. The other downside is its lack of storability. At 1.5 inches thick and roughly 10 pounds, this board will feel hefty for folks who are used to thinner bamboo or plastic boards or those with limited storage. It comes highly recommended and is best for those seeking a top-rated wooden cutting board with an anti-slip grip and a beautiful finish. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.